स्वागत करें। A huge round of applause for Dr. Kadyar.
और असें एक कोशिश की थी है कि तुस साढ़े आस्तै सारे कोला
टीम गैदरिंग, इट इज आवर प्रिविलेज सीमित नहीं है, बल्कि उनका इम्पैक्ट हर उस सिटीजन तक पहुंचता है जो एक प्रोग्रेसिव और आइए मिलकर वेलकम करें अ लीडर पावर एक्सीलेंस, अ चेंज मेकर एंड इम्पैक्ट क्रिएटर, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह।
बात लेते हैं तो मैं हमारे चीफ गेस्ट डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी टू प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज फॉर लाइटिंग ऑफ द लैम्प। और a very prominent name in administration. Thank you very much. ये कितना खूबसूरत मोमेंट है कि गुरु और शिष्य साथ साथ दीप प्रज्वलित कर रहे हैं। इट्स फैमिलीज का बिग एफएम के इस इवेंट टॉक यू रॉक में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। वी हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल डांसर विद अस। कृतिका इनका नाम है, नृत्यांजलि क्लासिकल डांस अकेडमी से है एंड
contact circle than most of those who do some conscious networking otherwise.
Okay.
And at the same time, you have an opportunity also to serve. And if you do that, and if you don't run after money, money ultimately runs after you. So I think that is one of the earliest lessons that I learned. And from 96 onwards, we were treating young children free of cost. The type 1 diabetics who require insulin, we were also providing them lifelong insulin through certain charity channels. And that saved us of fasting during Navratras or going to temple every Monday or every Sunday, because we could have the opportunity of worshipping while working.
Okay, great.
दिमाग तो वो तो है कि बेहतर तो है यही कि ना दुनिया से दिल लगे, पर क्या करें का जो काम ना बेदिल्लगी करे. So you have to remain professional, not getting involved in a manner that you are not left for anything else. So I think a successful professional learns to do that. Otherwise, you can't sustain success.
Definitely. अगर हम डॉक्टर्स की लाइफ ऑलराइट, तो हमारे जितने भी डॉक्टर्स आज यहाँ मौजूद हैं जिन्हें अवार्ड्स मिलने वाले हैं, chiropractor and osteopath with over 20 American Society of Gastrointestinal Endoscopy and Indian State University USA में विजिटिंग प्रोफेसर भी रह चुकी हैं at the School of Dentistry. So एग्जाम में टॉपर रह चुके हैं और बहुत सारी फर्टिलिटी सेंटर, a unit of Dr. KD Multi Speciality in Gastrointestinal Surgery at Ujala Signals. Currently working as associate professor and head of unit ESCOMS Jammu. Many congratulations. General and laparoscopic surgery. बहुत सारे fellowships and of course many accolades to her cap. तुमने भी अप्रेजल टाइम चला था. So he has saved many victims of militancy. तो डॉक्टर साहब के बारे में हमें लगा कि क्या बोले क्या छोड़ें. पार्टनर्स हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. म्हणून तालियां बजानिया हाथ नहीं कसते. ब्लैंकेट पिछली. थैंक यू वेरी मच केम्ब्रिज.
And I think he was at that point of time possibly the most handsome young boy in the town of Jammu. So it's been a great journey and I'm glad that we have been able to sustain it all our life. He's been a mentor to many and at the same time he's also been an example of a very fine, polite human being. And I'm sure as far as the team FM is concerned, you've always been holding these award functions. You already held the Impact Awards, which I'm sure are going to have impact farther than the award winners because you award some of the better deserving ones, but the others also get motivated. So the contribution that you are doing through such kind of ceremonies has a wider reach that actually we can see. So I must compliment you also for this. And I think as far as the doctor fraternity is concerned, they also have an opportunity to get an exposure of this nature because usually they are so much occupied with their own profession that they hardly have time to actually socialize. But when you attract them with the offer of a trophy, they find time to do so. So thank you very much. Thank you very much, Team FM.